If you've ever wondered how it feels to realize you were never supposed to exist, let me tell you, it starts with a cheek swab and ends with a phone call you're never meant to answer. I sent away for one of those DNA kits, just to see if the family rumors about Viking blood were true. The results didn't give me a percentage breakdown. Instead, the website glitched, flickered, and finally spat out 2 words in red: no record. That's when the late night calls began, always from a block number, always the same question: is the experiment still running? At first, I laughed it off. Maybe a prank, maybe a tech error. But my reflection in the bathroom mirror started to twitch, just out of sync with my movements. I'd blink, and my eyes would linger closed in the glass. The calls grew more urgent, the voice on the line more insistent. We need confirmation. Is the experiment still running? The word experiment felt like a splinter under my skin. One night, I picked up and snapped, "What experiment?" The silence that followed was heavy, then a different voice came on, colder, almost mechanical. "You were not authorized for independent awareness. Return to your point of origin." My apartment suddenly felt too small, the shadows too sharp, as if the walls were listening. The voice whispered coordinates I didn't recognize, but something inside me did, a memory that wasn't mine, a place I'd never been but desperately needed to reach. Now, every reflective surface glitches. Sometimes I see rooms I don't recognize, flashes of people in lab coats watching me through screens. The calls have stopped, but the question lingers, echoing in my bones. I don't know if I'm the experiment, or if it's still running, but whatever they were testing, it's awake. And it's looking for a way out.